Hey guys, Morgan here with the Governor Mike Huckabee, Delta Rivers Nature Center. Hope everybody's doing well. Today I wanted to show you how to make a small little bird craft out of some simple items you may have at home. All you'll need is some construction paper, you'll need a glue stick, you'll need a pencil, a stapler, and some scissors. So let me show you how. Let's get started. Okay guys, the first thing I did is I made a template for the bird's body, just on a piece of paper. Doesn't have to be anything fancy, just skinny up here, then fatter at the bottom. Make sure you include the line at the top, so what we're going to be cutting to make the wings. So take a piece of construction paper. Any color is fine, I just chose red, but any color you have or that you want to use is just fine. So just fold it hot dog style, just like that, and then make sure the crease is at the top. Then we're going to take our template here, and we're going to put it, line it up best you can, and draw it out. We can cut it out. Alright, so take our scissors here. And cut out the bird's body. So now we have our bird's body here. So next what I want you to do is sort of fold him in half. And just right here at the top here, just cut just a little bit, and that can be adjusted later. We can fit in the wings later on. So now set that aside. Now you can take a piece of half of your construction paper, any color, and just fold it accordion style. And I see I've already done that here. These will be the wings. And next I took a half of a piece, did the same thing, and I just cut them in half. These will be the tail. So just cut those in half and we'll set those aside. So next I got my bird's body again, and I cut out some little pieces to be the belly. And I find this easier to do now before the wings are in. So just take your glue stick here, put some glue on the back, one of these sides. If I can grab it. Just glue it right on there. And then fold it on the other side, or flip it over. Do the same thing. And just put it just like so. Like I said, the possibilities are endless for colors that you can do. Next, I made a little beak out of some yellow construction paper. Make sure that they stay connected there. And then we will put some glue on those. And glue it just like so. Give the bird a little beak. There we go. And now we gotta give him some eyes. I drew some eyes on a piece of paper, but if you have some of those plastic googly eyes, those will work just fine. I just didn't have any of those. And I'm not an artist by any means, so you can do it too. Let's put some glue on there. Put an eye on that side. Flip him over. Give him an eye on this side. Now we're going to take our long piece of the folded up paper, and we're going to stick it through that hole we cut. Halfway in there, and if you need to fold it, give it a little crease, that's fine. Alright, so he's got some wings. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take our 2 pieces that we cut in half, line those up here, one on each side of the tail, or on the back side of the bird. And this will be really thick too. Take our stapler, just fold it in there. And there we go, guys. We have our bird. So just fan his tail out a little bit. We've got ourselves a little cardinal. So I hope you have fun with this. See y'all later.